Okay, I just wanted to go over the Verizon trade that I put on with the BNF strategy. Um, I'm up about 4%. So basically, it's the same strategy I was discussing, and I can show you guys the agent that I'm using to assist with the trade. So this is a Python, like Python-based AI agent that's using lang chains. Constraint data that you give to the agent, and it's trained to give a specific type of output, and the type of output and constraint data that it's getting is financial data that it scrapes, and then also the output is based on the BNF strategy by Takashi Kotegawa. So I'm going to go over some things that are here. um, I can just let me show you how it works, I guess. So let's clear this, and then let's 1 second. Okay, so let's I enter my virtual environment where I have the dependencies, and then I run the file, which is that. Um, so you have a starting account size. I can change it to my account size minus my profits. So I'll start with capital 2700, and keep in mind this is not a dynamic account size. It stays the same. It just helps you like see what you might have left after you trade something. You can still change your account size dynamically if you want manually, but it will stay the same. So now let's check VZ. Previously, Verizon was a buy because it was oversold, and it showed up on my screener, which is a reason why I entered the trade. Um, but now it should be a hold, I think. Um, should take about 30 seconds. So here's the constraint output it gives you. Um, let me make this bigger for everyone. So the ticker is Verizon, gives a small 60-word summary of the company, raw data, the price, how far it's from the 25 DMA, the RSI, Boilinger volume, and ATR if you use if you use ATR for stop losses or take profit. It scrapes three sources, publicly available data, and this is the scorecard for it. Reason you got two was the price is below the fair value, and then the RSI is oversold, and it didn't meet the rest of these criteria, so I gave it two, which is a hold. Two is a hold, three is a buy, four is a buy, and then five is a buy. One is also a hold, I think. Uh, I think zero might be a hold too, but I'm not sure. But anything below, there's negative numbers too. Anything negative is a sell or a no trade. I'm going to show you what it shows if I have a buy rating. So how I do that is basically, uh, let me go to my screener here. Things take a bit to load. So here's the screener that I've been using to find my next trade. So Abbott currently is sitting at number one for the largest drawdown, right? So if we go to my screener here, I say ABT Abbott. Let's increase that. See what. As you can see, a hold is a no trade, so it doesn't assist you with buying the shares for a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Um, and if you guys are hearing the fan noise, excuse the fan noise. This is like an older computer, 2013. All right, there you go. So it's the same type of constraint output summary sources, raw data sources, and then signal. This one got a is at the lower Boilinger band. So I think that's related to like mean reversion. It would go back, stay in between. Um, um, yeah, and then a small explanation, which is basically like the summary of these 3 points right here. And here is the trade. So it's a buy, and it tell you based on your account size to buy about 7 shares, which is following this right here. And your account balance will be at 2038. So it also tells you where your take profit is, which is a target right here, 105. So currently it's 94. So if you take profit here, you earn about $11 per share. So that's basically how I go about trading this strategy. Um, yeah. Uh, last thing here, I just want to show. So to also know how to take profit when you don't have, let's say, AI with you, right? You would basically take your profit, 50% of your profit, um, on the. I hate these pop-ups. So on the 1 month chart, on the 1 month time frame, you look at the RSI. One second. Go back to 1 month. RSI. So you should look at the RSI, and if it reaches 65 or above, you sell 50% of your position. And then with the remaining position, you go to the 3 month RSI, and once that reaches 65 or above, you sell the rest. This is like a laddered sell, basically, and that's how you should go about um, using BNF strategy. It's exactly how he went about using it. Yeah, so hopefully that explains how I'm going about growing my account. Take care.